How to take a screenshot on an Android device. The most common method for taking a screenshot is by simultaneously pressing the power and volume down buttons on devices running Android 9 and above. You can create a screenshot using only the power button. Pressing and holding the power button will present options such as power off, restart, and screenshot. Choose Screenshot to take a screenshot. On devices like the CK65 and CK67, the volume down button may be accessed through the green or blue shift keys. For instance, on the 53-key keypad, the volume down button is located directly under the M key. To take a screenshot, press the green or blue button first, followed by the power button and the corresponding key at the same time. However, on the 38-key keypad, there may be an overlap with the volume down function that can lead to inconsistencies when attempting to capture a screenshot. It is advisable to remap a function key to serve as the volume down button. Alternatively, the key sequence for sys-req can also be used to create a screenshot on the CK6538 key. For CK6538 key with an alphanumeric keyboard, press blue followed by S. For CK6538 key with a numeric keyboard, press blue followed by 3. If you want to take a screenshot using ADB and retrieve it from your device, use the following commands. To capture the screenshot, type ADB shell screencap p/card/screenshot.png. To pull the screenshot to your local PC, type ADB pull/card/screenshot.png c:\temp\screenshot.png. All the captured screenshot will be saved as a PNG file in the folder /storage/pictures screenshots/. Thank you for watching.